Get ready to unlock massive savings. Today, we're diving into 20 Black Friday Amazon kitchen deals at up to 60% off. From futuristic gadgets to must-have kitchen essentials, these deals are perfect for upgrading your cooking game and transforming your home. Don't miss out on these rare finds. Each item is designed to make your life easier, smarter, and way more exciting. Watch till the end to snag the best steals. Number 1. 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗶𝗺𝗏𝗵 16 cup food processor was $699.95. Now $549.95. 21% off. If you love cooking, the 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗶𝗺 food processor is a must-have. With a massive 16-cup capacity and precision blades, it makes chopping, slicing, and kneading effortless. Perfect for family meals or party prep. The brushed stainless steel design is sleek and durable, and cleanup is a breeze. Right now, with a 21% Black Friday discount, it's a perfect opportunity to upgrade your kitchen without overspending. Number 2. 7-code large dish drying rack. 2-tier was $39.99, now $26.54, 34% off. Keep your countertop clutter-free with the 7-code large dish drying rack. Its 2-tier design holds plates, bowls, and utensils efficiently, while the detachable parts make cleaning simple. The sleek black finish adds a modern touch, and its durable frame handles heavy loads easily. With a 34% Black Friday discount, it's an affordable way to organize your kitchen and dry dishes quickly and elegantly. Number 3. 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹𝗶𝗺𝗶𝗺𝗿 Single serve coffee maker was $189.99, now $99, is 48% off. Coffee lovers, the 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹𝗶𝗺 is a game changer. With multi-stream technology, 4 brew sizes, and a 66-ounce removable water reservoir, it delivers barista-quality coffee at home. The intuitive touchscreen makes brewing fast and effortless, while its gray finish complements any kitchen. At 48% off this Black Friday, it's a perfect chance to upgrade your mornings with delicious, customizable coffee without spending a fortune. Number 4. DeLonghi Magnifica Start Espresso Machine was $613.31, now $399.95, 35% off. For espresso enthusiasts, the DeLonghi Magnifica Start is compact yet powerful. It grinds fresh beans, brews rich coffee, and froths milk with ease, bringing cafe-quality drinks home. Its stainless steel design looks luxurious and promises long-lasting durability. With programmable settings and a 35% Black Friday discount, this espresso machine is an incredible deal to elevate your mornings and enjoy professional quality coffee without breaking the bank. Number 5. Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1 air fryer oven was $149.99, now $109.99, 27% off. The Chefman 12-quart air fryer oven combines 6 appliances in one compact design, allowing you to air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, or toast with ease. Its generous capacity is perfect for families, and the digital display simplifies cooking. With a 27% Black Friday discount, this versatile kitchen gadget helps you make healthier, delicious meals while saving time, making it a smart addition to any home. Number 6. 𝗵𝗛𝗏 Dual Zone 360 air fryer oven was $313.99, now $249.99. 20% off. Bring restaurant-style cooking home with the 𝗵𝗛𝗏 Dual Zone 360 air fryer oven. With 2 separate zones, you can cook different dishes simultaneously at varying temperatures. Its 360-degree airflow technology ensures even, perfectly crispy results, while the stainless steel design looks sleek and modern. At 20% off this Black Friday, it's a must-have for anyone who wants efficient, high-quality cooking without the extra effort. Number 7. NinjaFit Compact Personal Blender 𝗗𝗶3001SS was $69.99, now $54.99, 21% off. The NinjaFit Compact Personal Blender makes smoothies, shakes, and sauces fast and easy. Its stainless steel blades crush ice and blend ingredients for smooth, creamy results, while its compact design fits neatly on your countertop. Perfect for single servings or busy mornings, it's powerful yet simple to clean. With a 21% Black Friday discount, it's a budget-friendly way to enjoy healthy healthy drinks every day. Number 8. 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗶𝗆𝗃 Digital Meat Thermometer was $19.99, now $13.58, 32% off. The 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗀𝗃 Digital Meat Thermometer ensures your meat is cooked perfectly every time. Its instant read technology delivers accurate temperatures in seconds, while the long probe and easy-to-read display make grilling or roasting stress-free. Compact and portable, it's great for indoor and outdoor cooking. With a 32% Black Friday discount, it's an essential kitchen tool for anyone who wants precision and perfect results without guesswork. Number 9. Braun Multi-Quick 7 Immersion Blender 3-in-1 was $109.95, now $79.95, 27% off. The Braun Multi-Quick 7 Immersion Blender is a versatile tool for soups, sauces, and smoothies. Its 3-in-1 design comes with multiple attachments for chopping, blending, and pureeing, while the high-performance motor ensures smooth results. Ergonomically designed with anti-splash technology, it keeps your countertop clean at 27% off this Black Friday. It's the perfect chance to add a professional-grade blender to your kitchen without overspending. Number 10. 𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗆𝗃 and Store Belgian Waffle Maker was $29.99, now $19.99, 33% off. Upgrade breakfast with the 𝗶𝗀𝗶𝗆 and Store Belgian Waffle Maker. Its non-stick plates deliver golden, crispy waffles every time, and the flip design ensures even cooking compact and easy to store. It's perfect for small kitchens or quick meals. With a 33% Black Friday discount, it's a fun, affordable way to enjoy delicious homemade waffles and elevate your morning routine without extra hassle. Number 11. Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender Twist Go was $99.99, now $59.99, 40% off. The Ninja Blast Max Portable Blender Twist Go is perfect for on-the-go smoothies and shakes. Its powerful blades crush ice and frozen fruit quickly, while the portable bottle design lets you blend and drink without extra cleanup. Compact and easy to carry, it's ideal for busy mornings or workouts. With a 40% Black Friday discount, this is a perfect opportunity to upgrade your blending game affordably. Number 12. Lennox Holiday 6-piece Salad Plates Set was $99.95, now $29.94, 70% off. Add festive charm to your dining table with the Lennox Holiday 6-piece Salad Plates Set. Each plate features elegant holiday designs and durable porcelain construction that's dishwasher safe. Perfect for entertaining or seasonal dinners, these plates bring style and functionality together. At an incredible 70% Black Friday discount, it's a rare chance to elevate your tableware collection without spending a fortune. Number 13. Chef IQ Sense 2025 Smart Meat Thermometer was $249.99, now $159.97, 36% off. The Chef IQ Sense 2025 Smart Meat Thermometer brings precision cooking to the next level. It pairs with your smartphone to provide real-time temperature readings and guided cooking instructions. Perfect for grilling, roasting, or smoking, it ensures meat is always cooked to perfection. With a 36% Black Friday discount, it's a smart investment for anyone who wants reliable results and a stress-free cooking experience. Number 14. 𝗿𝗏𝗃 350-piece gold disposable plates and cutlery set was $57.99, now $45.99, 21% off. Entertaining just got easier with the 𝗿𝗏𝗃 350-piece gold disposable plates and cutlery set. This complete set includes plates, utensils, and napkins in a stylish gold finish, ideal for parties, weddings, or holiday gatherings. Durable and elegant, it eliminates the hassle of cleaning up. With a 21% Black Friday discount, it's a convenient and affordable way to host with style this season. Number 15. 𝗵𝗡 4-in-1 Electric Warming Tray Buffet was $129.99, now $89.98, 31% off. The 𝗵𝗡 4-in-1 Electric Warming Tray Buffet keeps your dishes warm and ready to serve. With 4 separate warming zones, it's perfect for entertaining guests or family gatherings. The sleek design complements any table, while the non-stick surface makes cleaning easy. At a 31% Black Friday discount, this versatile warming tray is a must-have for anyone who loves hassle-free hosting and perfectly heated meals. Number 16. SUMS Titanium Cutting Board Double-Sided 16 by 11 was $49.99, now $28.48, 43% off. Upgrade your prep game with the SUMS Titanium Double-Sided Cutting Board. Measuring 16 by 11 inches, it provides plenty of space for chopping, slicing, and dicing. The durable titanium surface resists scratches and stains, while the double-sided design adds versatility for different tasks. With a 43% Black Friday discount, this high-quality cutting board is an affordable and practical addition to any kitchen. Number 17. 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗹 espresso coffee machine. Burr grinder was $299.99. Now $203.98, 32% off. Bring the coffeehouse experience home with the 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗋 espresso machine with Burr grinder. It features a powerful pump and built-in grinder for fresh, flavorful espresso every time. The stainless steel design adds a professional touch, and programmable settings let you customize each cup. With a 32% Black Friday discount, it's a fantastic opportunity to enjoy cafe-quality coffee without leaving your kitchen. Number 18. Braun Multi-Quick 5 Immersion Hand Blender 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗋 was $79.95. Now $49.95, 38% off. The Braun Multi-Quick 5 Immersion Hand Blender 𝗗𝗶𝘀𝗰𝗋 is perfect for soups, sauces, and smoothies. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort, while high-performance blades make blending fast and smooth. Lightweight and easy to use, it's a versatile tool for any home chef. With a 38% Black Friday discount, it's the ideal time to upgrade your kitchen arsenal with a professional quality hand blender. Number 19. 𝗗𝗃𝗀 8-piece Deep Glass Baking Dish Set was $44.99, now $35.99, 20% off. Bake, serve, and store with the 𝗗𝗃𝗀 8-piece Deep Glass Baking Dish Set. Each dish is made of durable glass that's oven and microwave safe, perfect for casseroles, desserts, or meal prep. The clear design lets you monitor cooking progress, and the variety of sizes makes it versatile for any kitchen task. With a 20% Black Friday discount, this set is a practical and stylish upgrade. Number 20. Rubbermaid Brilliant 7.8 Cup Airtight Food Storage Container was $9.39, now $7.51, 20% off. Keep your food fresh with the Rubbermaid Brilliant 7.8 Cup Airtight Food Storage Container. Its airtight seal prevents leaks and preserves flavors, while the clear design allows for easy identification. BPA-free and dishwasher safe, it's perfect for meal prep leftovers or pantry organization. With a 20% Black Friday discount, it's an affordable, high-quality solution for anyone looking to keep their kitchen organized and efficient. That's a wrap on 20 Black Friday Amazon kitchen products. Deals! Don't miss these incredible discounts to upgrade your kitchen, save big, and cook smarter. Grab your favorites before the deals disappear and elevate your cooking game today.